Welcome to Mac and PC Prime video tutorial. In today's I am gonna show you will you watch about creating a shared folder on your PC and accessing it on the Mac so that you can transfer files between your Mac and PC? But in this video, you will see how you can set a folder on your Mac and mount it on your Windows PC to transfer files between your Mac and PC easily. Alright, let's go to the Mac and make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Windows PC. So both devices should be on the same Wi-Fi network. Now click on the Apple icon at the left top corner and go to System Preferences.
And then Sharing option here.
The first thing you will notice this computer name. You can change in the computer name if you want, but I will leave it as it is now. You have to enable File Sharing option from the options given on the left-hand side. Once you enable file sharing, you will get a local address of your Mac computer. So you have to note down this address, 192 something something. It will be different for your computer here on this ED folders option. So you have to add a folder which you want to share all the network. Just click on plus icon and select the folder that you want to share. It might be Documents, Downloads, your Mac partition, or any folder which you want to share. So you just have to select the folder in which you want to share or edit network. I would like to share the Documents folder, so I will select Documents
and click on Add.
Once you add that folder, click on it, and on the right inside, you will find the users and their permissions. By default, you will find your username and the permissions, but you have to select the Everyone user and select All permission. If you don't find Everyone, you can add it. Just go to Users and you will find Everyone option. So you have to select the Everyone user and provide full access, read and write access. And do you have to do this for every other folder which you want to share? Like if I want to sell the download folder, then I have to provide the permission for the downloads folder as well. I will select Everyone and provide full access so that I can access it over the network. Now you have to click on the File Setting options. Click on this button and then enable Share Files and Folders using SMB. So you have to check this option and then select your user account and it will ask for the password. You have to provide your Mac password. Let's go back to the System Preferences and then Network option Wi-Fi and then Advanced option. Click on this IP tab, and then here you will find IPv4 address, so you can copy the IPv4 address from here as well. Also, you need to know the username and password of your Mac computer. Let's go to the Spotlight search and look for Terminal. Open the terminal, and you just have to type "Who am I?" and press Enter on your keyboard, and you will find your username in my case. And the thing is, the username without any space. So you have to find and remember your username and password, which you know. Alright, let's go to the Windows PC and make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. So both devices are on the same network. Then go to Menu and Settings Network and Internet option, then Wi-Fi. Or if you are connected via Ethernet, select the Ethernet. In my case, I will select the Wi-Fi network and then Network Profile. You have to select the private network profile, not the public, so that you can access and share files over the local area network. Now let's go back to the network Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and then click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Select the private network profile and maximum your network. Disk overlay file and printer settings is turned on. And also check this box, Set up network, connected devices automatically. Alright, now let's open the File Explorer, this PC, and you just have to right-click on this blank space and then click on Add the network location.
Click on Next and select this option to the custom network location and then click on Next. Now you have to provide the local IPv4 address of your Mackie computer, which you have already noted, // and then IPv4 address off your Mac, then // and this shared folder name. I would like to mount Documents first, so I will type Documents and then click on Next. Now it is asking for the network credential. you have to provide the Mac username and password, not the Windows username and password. So just type the Mac username and password. Commonly, the Mac username doesn't have any space, so you have to take care of that and then click on Remember My Credentials so that it won't ask for the password if you lose the connection, and then click on. Okay, now you can type a friendly name, whatever you like for the mounted folder. I would like to delete the IPv4 address and then just type Mac Documents. You can name it anything, whatever you like, then click on Next and Finish. Once you click on Finish, it will connect to the shared folder and open it. Now you can access all the files and folders inside that shared folder. You can always access this shared folder by going to this PC, so now you can copy-paste to delete any files and folder inside this shared folder. For example, let's copy this file so I can easily copy the file from my Mac to the Windows PC or from the Windows PC to the Mac. So this way, you can easily transfer files between your Mac and PC, and if you have additional shared folders on your Mac, then you can mount them as well. Like I have a download folder set over the network, so I will mount that as well. So I will just type the /IPv4, address / and then downloads. Click on Next, and since I already have provided the username and password, it didn't ask for the password this time. Give it a friendly name, then click on Next and Finish. Now I can access the download folder as well. So this is how you can mount any Mac here folder on your Windows PC to easily transfer files between your Mac and Windows. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.